Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Now to make a paper heart, you need to take an origami sheet, and if you don't have an origami sheet, you can take any paper and make a square out of it. Now here you just have to fold like this. Now we have to mark a center over here. So for that we will fold this in half and make a crease just till here. Now fold it like this. Both the triangles should be equal. From the back it will look like this. Now what you have to do, you have to fold from here, and for that we will make a crease like this and fold it backwards like this only. Keep this folded side upwards, and now open this portion and mark a crease. Do the same on the other side. Here we are making two small triangles. Now turn it around. Our main purpose was to get these corners, and now we have to fold from this crease. Yes, this one. Just fold it. Do the same on the other side also. Keep on turning the paper around just to check if the front side is turning out to be okay or not. Now fold the paper diagonally like this from both the sides. This is the most easy heart you will ever make out of paper. It will give you a 3D effect. From the back, it will look kind of like this. If you want, you can fold the points further like this. And ta-da! Our cute little paper heart is ready. Do try it out, guys. You will gonna love this. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.